Welcome to Jaenea HealingWeave family. Today, I will guide you through how to set up and use our punch needle. This is the punch needle included with each of our popular HealingWeave kits. There are 4 gears A, B, C, D to control the length of the needle tip. Turn the holder up or down and push to release or lock it into each gear. Insert the threader into the tip of the punch needle and push it through to the other end. Use the threader to guide the yarn through the punch needle. Ensure the yarn passes through the hole at the tip of the needle. Adjust the yarn, leaving a short tail. Use the D gear for most of our HealingWeave projects. We're now ready to start using our punch needle for the first stitch. Leave a 2-inch yarn tail on the underside of the first stitch. Lift the needle slightly, keeping the tip close to the fabric. Repeat by pushing the punch needle down through the fabric until the handle touches the surface for each stitch. The yarn is held securely on the fabric through the loops of stitches. Once completed, cut the yarn after the last stitch and gently pull the punch needle out. This is the front side of the project, created using the D gear on the punch needle. Let me show you what can the C gear do for punch stitching. Please remember to fully insert the needle downward with each punch. Gear C creates slightly longer, raised loops than Gear D, with a soft texture and polished finish. The white cloud in this project showcases the reverse side of Gear C stitches. Let us explore the B gear of our punch needle now. Gear B creates medium-length loops, perfect for adding depth and filling larger areas with a balanced texture. The lion's brown mane in this project highlights the reverse side of Gear B stitches. Lastly, Gear A creates the longest underside loops, offering a bold, plush texture for standout designs. Since the front looks more or less the same, always use Gear D to save yarn, unless it's for a special design. Thank you, and enjoy your HealingWeave punch stitching.